Hey guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in. So today we're going to be tackling the check engine light on the ML. Looks like it's related to the purge valve. So pretty much in this video, I'm going to try and see what I can do to see if we can get this fixed. And if you're having this same issue, this would be a fix for you as well. But pretty much what is going on is the purge valve, which is related to the evap. Whenever you try turning the car on, it turns just for, you know, a few seconds before it kicks on, and it throws a check engine light. And so that's related to the purge valve from the codes I've been looking at. This is the purge valve right here on the ML. I'm gonna go ahead and check the wiring, make sure everything looks good, and disconnect it, and use the one from the CLK. It's pretty much the same part. On the CLK, it's located right here. So we're gonna go ahead and actually, is this the same? All right, just got it off. Okay, finally the part came in. So I was able to replace it and turn on the car. No check engine light. The car starts up great, perfectly fine. Now that issue is resolved. It was just the reverse order with this part. So pretty much I ended up actually using a new hose clamp. The other I could use, but I had this in hand, so I just figured out to use that. Plug this back in here, plug that connection in here, and boom, problem solved. So I'm happy about that. Let me go ahead and just turn on the car for you guys and see exactly how it turns on perfectly great. Here we go. If we can get it to start again for the second time. Perfect. Woo! Awesome. Yeah, it starts up perfect, guys. No check engine light. Yep. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video and I'll catch you guys in the next one.